Today we'll talk about three main topics. First, why you should eat coconut daily. Second, why doctors recommend to drink coconut water. And third, how to make coconut milk at home. Hi, my name is Priya and you are watching Hungry Vacations. Let's start with the video. Offering coconut is considered auspicious in culture and rituals of India. It brings prosperity, good luck and happiness. It has countless benefits and considered as a superfood. Why you should eat coconut? Coconut increases HDL, that is good cholesterol, and reduces LDL, which is bad cholesterol, which is good for heart. Raw coconut is rich in magnesium, which is vital for bone health. Eating a small piece of coconut at night helps to reduce constipation, increases metabolism and boosts immunity. Coconut water improves blood sugar level, controls anemia and prevents kidney stone. Coconut water contains antioxidants and rich in nutrition which replenishes and rebalances fluid and electrolyte in the body. Coconut water is flavorful, wholesome and 100% natural beverage as compared to other beverages with added sugar. Coconut water is very beneficial in pregnancy, regulates the pH level of the body, prevents mother and child from diseases and helps to increase metabolism. Now let's go on the third topic, how to make coconut milk and its benefits. Coconut milk is an unbeatable part of vegan diet. Plant milk and yogurt filled with calcium and vitamins are on the top of the vegan food list. To make coconut milk at home, take raw and fresh coconut. Remember, it should not be preserved or canned. Now you need to grate or slice it. After grating, put it in a churner. Churn it with some water. Repeat this process twice and you will get your freshly made coconut milk. Coconut milk can be used in many ways. You can add coconut milk in coffee. You can make curries or soup out of coconut milk. If you need to follow a vegan diet, then coconut is a superfood for you. You can add shredded coconut or coconut milk in your dishes. It will give you a creamy and nutty flavor. Coconut ice cream is a substitute of high-calorie ice creams available in market. To summarize, coconut and coconut products are highly beneficial for a balanced diet. But remember, too much consumption of anything is bad. As winter is approaching, it's vital to save yourself from dry and patchy skin. I would like to recommend you a special product from Wow Skin Science for winter care. Shea butter and cocoa butter moisturizing body lotion, quick absorption formula gives my body long-lasting and intensive moisturization. It's totally free from paraben, silicone and mineral oil, enriched with goodness of all natural ingredients. To buy Wow Skin Science body lotion, click on the link given in the description box. That's all for today's video. If you found this video useful, please subscribe. Do share your favorite coconut recipe in the comment box below. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.